Ireland's Kitchen on Today. Sponsored by Patak's. Bring the flavours of India to your kitchen.
Anjali Pathak is in the kitchen today. Great to have you on the show.
Thank you.
You're bringing lovely Indian flavours to us today.
Can you smell it already?
Oh, I can smell it. I got very, very excited earlier on. And of course, there's a big festival happening in India at the end of the month as well.
Yes, absolutely. We've got Diwali happening.
Loads of fun there, I'd imagine.
Absolutely, yeah. It's like Indian Christmas. So it's all about the food.
Yeah.
And it's all about just getting together, sharing your love of food, and I'm here to share my love of food with you.
Lovely. Continue to share, please.
So we're going to be making a really lovely spice sea bass. So we're going to be putting some spices on there. We're going to be doing some amazing potatoes. So that's what I've got boiling here.
Lovely.
Add a little bit of salt to my water, chopped up some potatoes.
They cook a lot faster.
Yep, correct. And we're going to be making a really amazing coriander, garlicky butter to go with this. So we've got some different spices in there happening. And then we're also going to be doing a really nice rocket salad. So I need your help to help me out.
No problem. No problem.
So potatoes are on.
Done.
So I can
forget about them for a while.
Exactly, for ages. And then now let's have a little talk about our sea bass. So I need to add some flavours to this delicious sea bass that I've got here. If you can just open this tin for me, I've got something exciting for
This is
you.
your magic box, is it?
It is.
Oh, look at all these.
Amazing.
Whoa, so
this is how an Indian will cook at home using a spice box like this. And they will use a ton of spices, they'll grind spices, they'll use some whole.
Look at this. Oh, so what have we inside there, Anjali?
So a ton of different ones. And when you make up any of your spice blends to put on your curries, to put inside things, to put on top of things, whether you're going to be doing something grilled, you would want to be making sure you have an amazing blend for that.
So
now, we've already done that for you in a spice paste. So we're going to be using korma flavors.
Okay.
So we're using a lot of the flavors we've got in here. So if you can just open that jar for me.
And korma isn't too strong either, sure it's
Correct.
not. Yeah.
It's quite mild. It's a lovely mild flavour. There's about 11 different spices in there. There's a family recipe.
Okay.
So I'm going to be using a spoon of that, and I'm going to be using some mustard seeds.
Okay.
So I'll put half on here, half on the other side. And then if you can grab the mustard seeds. You were telling me earlier you're amazing in the kitchen. Which one are the mustard seeds?
Are they mustard seeds, are they?
Yes, well done.
See, thank you, yes.
Well done. So I need about a quarter
8 years of afternoon TV doing all the cooking.
About a quarter teaspoon. So just do me a sprinkling over my paste
and
here.
Should you do this the night before or anything? Or do you have to? Or is it better?
You don't actually need to marinate too much when it comes to seafood. So we're good. We're actually going to cook this straight away. I'm only putting it on the flesh side. So instead of having to worry about all of these spices, all that hard work is done for you. It's great for saving some time. And so that's why we're using some korma flavours.
So don't be afraid to rub it into the fish as well.
Yeah, and only on the flesh side because I want to crisp up my skin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this skin side down. It's going to go straight into this nice
Is there
warm
any oil or
pan.
anything inside there?
Correct. If you can just help me with a little bit.
One?
Yes, this one, please.
This one, okay.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
This one is a little bit of rapeseed oil, so it's great for cooking. Just a little bit. Perfect, perfect,
Okay.
yeah.
I thought there were shots of whiskey, but no such luck.
Let's try that later.
So am I in charge of the salad here, Anjali?
Correct, you absolutely are.
So what do you want me to do?
So what we need to do with the salad is think about getting a little bit of red onion in there. So if you want to think about getting that in there. And I would love for you...
All
of it.
perfect.
You like onion?
I love red onion, yeah.
Amazing.
Really do.
And then let's think about just a little bit of this lemon for me.
How much? Just...
Yep. Just enough. Yeah, it's part of the dressing. Amazing. And then give this guy a little bit of a roll. Makes him a bit juicier.
Okay.
And then I just want to get this charred up.
Okay.
So that's going to help with all of that. And then now we can think about switching to the potatoes, because essentially we're just going to do a quick dressing for that. And I'll just make up this really lovely coriander-y, kind of really nice butter to go with it.
Okay.
So I'll turn this on.
You're originally from Manchester, but you moved to India a few years ago.
Correct. My accent is Manchester. You're right. I moved to India a couple of years ago to build a startup.
And how'd you find that change?
Interesting. Have you been to India?
Never been to India.
So it's quite crazy.
Okay.
There's a lot going on. It's perfect this time of year because we are coming into this festive time. So it's just a really lovely time of year to go visit.
Do you know everything we see about India on TV? Is it really like that? It's very, very busy, lots of people.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I think my face just says it all. Yeah. I mean, I still feel I'm in shock most of the time. I've now lived there for 4 years.
And you're still in shock?
And I'm still in shock. It is the craziest place I've ever been.
Good crazy, though.
Good crazy. It's
good
like
crazy.
vibrant crazy.
Okay.
We were talking about stress on the
Yeah.
show earlier. I feel there's a level of stress that is just existent there.
Okay.
But it is a good stress. I
Yeah.
feel that everyone is very, very expressive. Everyone's super happy.
Yeah.
It's really great.
Superfood. Maura.
Okay. Give it a little bit of a smell for me.
What, mustard seeds, is it?
This is coriander
that? That's
seeds.
lovely.
Coriander seeds. So that's going to go
fresh, isn't
into
it?
my
Gorgeous.
butter I'm just about to quickly make, and then I'll flip over. Nice.
Do you like sea bass, Maura?
I do, yeah. It's a very nice,
Oh,
chunky
it's
fish,
really
yeah.
nice, yeah.
Okay. So I've got some butter, I've got some oil in the pan to stop it from burning. I'm going in with some coriander
Okay.
and some spring onions. And then that's just going to go through.
And this is all
my
for the sauce.
potatoes. This is just my potatoes, which I'll drain off now. My bass is ready to be flipped. And then 1 minute on that side and it's off.
Okay.
It's done.
done.
It's got to cook really fast.
Yes, it cooks incredibly quickly.
I'd love to get one. Maura, if you're kind of thinking of my Christmas present, you know,
the spice thing.
wouldn't that be really, really nice? Wouldn't
Yeah,
this be,
it would
wouldn't this be a
actually
lovely
lovely.
present to get somebody for Christmas?
Oh,
It's one,
absolutely.
actually, yeah.
Of the
I'd like
Wally
one
even.
too. I'll give you one and you'll give me one back.
No, I've yours picked out already, Maura.
Oh, yeah, right.
I got them in the July sales.
You're so weird.
I'm in a weird
is
form.
that?
I'm actually in a very weird
I
form
know,
today.
you are a bit odd
Very,
today.
very odd. Odd and weird
that's
today.
good, though.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Weirdest. I like you when you're a
You
bit
smell
weird,
the
actually.
spices. Now
Oh,
we've released
lovely.
the essential oils. So
beautiful.
that's what you need to do
Gorgeous.
with all your spices. So this guy is ready to be crushed into here.
I think I may have a new favourite dish, Maura.
Everything is.
What
done.
potatoes are you
spuds.
using? Which ones?
I'm using the Kerr
Pinks?
pink.
Kerr Pinks.
Pink.
Kerr
Pinks.
Pinks.
Yeah.
We were discussing this before in town, and Kim, our floor manager, was talking
Ah,
about
he came up with some
furry
big
pink.
fancy,
What's it
fancy
called?
thing.
Pink fir apples. Is that a potato?
Pink for
Pink
apples.
fir. Have you ever heard of that?
Coming down from Dublin with your
I've never heard
notions.
of it.
That's your problem now, Kim. Coming down with your
Never heard of
notions.
He was like, we know about the pink fir apples.
Yeah.
I was like, what are they, a creature?
I thought
Little
they were some kind of
creature.
red eating apple or something.
Pink fir apple
Yeah.
potato.
And I
We'll
got
have to
them-
check them out, though.
I got everything from the English market as well. You've got this amazing market.
Isn't it lovely?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Isn't it fabulous?
Brilliant.
Amazing. So much
Yeah.
seasonal stuff.
Yeah, it's great.
So I just seasoned your salad. You very
Thank you. Yeah, this
amazingly
is the
put
one
that
I
in.
made,
You
yeah.
put some.
Aren't you brilliant?
Listen. I had a great teacher.
A little
Do you
bit
want me
of olive oil, a
do you
little
want me
bit
to
of
stir
salt,
it up or
pepper.
anything?
He's
Yeah,
showing
give
off
it a
now.
mix.
Come on, stir it now.
And
Don't
we're
drop
done.
any of the lettucey things out.
Did you not hear about Maura's 5-star?
Joey, why are you doing this to yourself?
Huh? I feel I need to beat myself up every now and then. And this is one of the ways I beat myself up, Maura, by telling people about your 5-star
I
record.
don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm over it now. It's brilliant and I'm happy, but that's it.
Do you like coriander?
Yeah, I like
Love
it,
it.
of course.
Love it,
Amazing.
love it.
Little bit going into.
There's lots
those
happening here now, Maura, you
potatoes.
see. You know, lots happening.
So much happening.
See,
So-
I actually think that potatoes infused with all that, it makes it nicer.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes potatoes can be, they're nice, but they can be bland.
If you fry that in butter now as well.
You could make potato
Oh, I've
cakes
added
out
a
of
little
it.
bit of butter
Oh,
there.
lovely,
Yeah,
lovely.
so we've got everything we need.
Okay.
So let's
So
think
we've
about
got
putting
about a minute
everything
to go, so.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect.
This is
Okay,
ready.
we're ready to go.
Okay. Now, you very lovely
That looks really
did
great.
that delicious salad. I would love for you
Do you know what?
to
Actually,
put
you're
some on my
brilliant.
plate.
He loves petting. He
You'll be
doesn't get
kept.
enough of it.
You- Anjali,
he is
Anjali,
so
you will be
happy.
kept.
The petting, you see, really works with Dahi. So much.
It doesn't take much to make me happy.
I've noticed. Just petting is the best for you.
All right, now, Maura.
It's true.
Grab that on
Are you
there.
not disagreeing with me?
Ooh,
Oh, look at that. Look
that.
Oh, yes. So having a lemon like that, does that release more of the oil?
I wouldn't say necessarily release so much more. Though. You could definitely get a bit more juice out because it's a little bit warmer.
Okay,
And let's get
all right.
some salad just on
Okay,
that.
over there.
Perfect.
We're just there, thanks.
But it also looks really cool.
Yes, oh, great one.
Let me just test to see if this is okay now. Your salad is to my liking.
How would you taste the spuds?
So definitely taste some of that really
Gorgeous.
lovely caramel flavour you're going to get with the seafood, so all those delicious spices.
And that really works so well with fish as well, because even in India, you'd always have so
Is
many
it
spices
good?
with fish, wouldn't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
God.
And we added
Lovely.
amazing mustard seeds in there as well, which you can run through
Divine.
the potatoes too.
Yum.
So I would do that with your potatoes as well, because it just tastes really good.
Anjali, please come back to us. Please come back to
Please
us and
do.
bring all this to
It's fabulous.
Bring all this to us again.
We love
the
it.
recipe can be found on rte.ie/food. Is also on our Facebook page, RTE Today. Anjali, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ireland's Kitchen on Today. Sponsored by Patak's. Bring the flavours of India to your kitchen.